Don't look at me like that. Try to act like you ain't going crazy for me, baby, you can. I'm fighting all my feelings, but it's hard to get you out of my head. And I should know that it's time to let you go. This could really hurt, but I don't care. So put me on your schedule. We don't have to lie, girl, this is special. We both have our reasons we should cancel. Why are we denying Cupid's arrow? So put me on your schedule. So put me on your... Is it me or your vision? Two-door whipping. I could treat you right, girl, show you what you're missing. Looking in your eyes, I see nothing but nirvana. I will make you mine, but only if you wanna. I'm starting to question if leaving will lessen it. Breaking my heart, babe, a lesson I guess it is. I found where your venom is. Your lips are a death wish. I wanna keep you around, show you what special is. This could really hurt, but I don't care.
Yeah.
So put me on your schedule. We don't have to lie, girl, this is special. We both have our reasons we should cancel.
Happy na yun.
Sino turo sa'yo niyan?
Ate.
Ate.
Sinong ate?
Yun.
Morning guys! So today punta kami ng bukid. And I'm wearing a different color kasi ayaw ni Lolo ng black and white. Ayaw niya ng malungkot. Papa! Lolo! Say hi! Say hi!
Si Mama isa dito.
Bye! Bye! Say hi! Hi! Wala yung mama!
O, dito?
Dami namin guys. Siguro masaya si Lolo today.
Kala ko ito yung bukid na sumaya ako.
Ano? Nasa vlog ka? Na ang bahay.
Sa inyo, oh. Ito pa, bili kayo. Ito yung nurse na. Buti lang, oh. Wala pa po. Di pa siya nakain. Ay, kahapon may parang siya online. Naglagay ko na ano. Hello ka, oh.
Mama.
Mama, on video ka! On video ka!
Na-video ako?
Antay ka lang, man. Ano title?
Beautiful Sunday.
Norma!
Hindi matigas yan.
Ayan na, ang laki.
Nawaki.
We're going home.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, then fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy reappear. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt mist and sea, sand and amber trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves, they're turning green. 'Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cold sneak back in our town.
We're going home.
'Cause we lived when it was all bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a bird song beat. God, it's now so very bittersweet. So I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer. I keep on forgetting times learn how to fly, and before I know it, it passes me by. Oh, I don't know why when life is beautiful I start to fear it'll slip through my fingers and just disappear. Oh, yeah. Back and forth through. I'm so
Wala!
Papansit ka.
Tagal magising. Gising na. Madam. Madam.
Wag, nagbablog ka.
Hindi. Yan na nag-vlog. Nakita mo na ako.
Oo.
Ate Bet. Bebe si Adam. Bebe, tingnan mo kasi Adam. Si Ate Eric.
Our debutant. Hi po.
Dun, 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 dun. Ay, 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 ay. For the for the formal.
Ang hirap po takot ka, napakaigos.
For the formal.
Yes.
Formal of the world. Ano ka magiging mabuting tagapakinig?
Yan ako.
Ah! Siya! Wow! Wow, nagtutwerk ka? Galing ah! So, may mga tao din sa labas. Papa, kain! Wow, ganda ng damit ah! Papa, kaya magpwede. Macho. Macho ka pa?
Sinasama pala yun natin. Hindi mo nga.
Hey guys! Nawawala yung kapatid ko. Hanapin
Saka
natin.
pupunta tayo. Kiramin namin.
Kaya mo mag-drive? O sige nga. Yung mas simple lang tayo ah. Kaya mo? Hoy, hindi ka nagjo-joke? Sabi mo,
Where we going?
Saan tayo?
Ganaw.
Saan tayo, babe?
Hanapin natin sila DJ sa bukid. Ay, si Cardo.
Si Cardo! Wala si DJ? Wala si DJ?
Ganyan sa bukid.
Si Denver.
Si Denver?
Nandoon. Nandoon. Ay, wala pa rin sa plaza.
Si
Sa
DJ.
plaza? Grabe, ikot-ikot na. Buti pinahiram sa'yo. Siyempre. Wow. Mag-selfie.
Sumigaw ka. Lihan dito eh.
Na, sa kabilang barrio na kami, guys.
Go.
Pag-ewang yun.
Dahan-dahan lang ah. Yan. Tapos, oh my goodness. I'm so kinakabahan.
Be, bakit ka naman kakabahan? Diretso tayo sa puno. Nung kapawag ka mo pala.
Dahan-dahan lang, ganyan. You're doing a great job.
Uy, bilisan na natin.
Wag!
Takot na takot, be.
Mahal ko ang pamilya ko!
Harap mo naman sa'yo, be, para makita ka sa vlog.
Ano niya ako sa salamin oh.
Wow!
Nice! Ayan, maximum. Bukid dali. Ayoko na.
Bakit?
Ikaw, gusto mo.
Mahirap ang sa ili ko eh.
Uy! Uy, Freda! Ay! Stop! Stop! Wait lang. Tama yan. Caught in act. Go. Dahan.
Be, palit na tayo.
Okay, tapos na po. Bye.
Iyangat mo lang.
Tapos na ang pagpapanggap. Ay, paano? Ay, nano ba dyan? Loka, muntik na next time daw. Tignan mo. Guys, tignan nyo.
Uy, tulong, be.
Ayoko nga, bala ka
Dali
dyan.
na.
Ay, ganda ah. Yan.
Gogi, tara na.
Uy, paliko yan. Paliko. Magliko ka muna. Ay.
Ayun na, be. Ayun na. Di ba matangkad yun?
Hi guys, nandito ako sa likod and kinakabahan ako kasi grabe yung driver ko guys. Muntikan na kami. Muntikan kaming mabuhay. Nadigdiga, pusa kami eh. Na yung buhay namin.
Ako lang to, be.
Siya lang yan. Ganda.
But that's where all my friends are. What do I do? Why is it so hard to find someone new so far away? All the days that I used to have someone right beside me, now I can find in my phone screen. It's tiring, just wanna feel something. Lonely nights talking the pixels. I don't go out, don't intermix with the crowd, and I wonder why I'm sitting all alone, staring at my phone. Or I just want a connection. Is that so hard to ask for? I just want something that's real, that's alive. Don't want no white noise on the other line. I just want a connection. Is that so hard to ask for? I just want something that's real, that's alive. Don't want no phone static, oh. Phone static, oh. I'm tired of being by myself, but it's better for my mental health. I do not like anybody here, so why do I care? I tell myself that I just need to have someone right beside me, or else I'm nothing. But for me, I